Hello, hi and namaste. A warm welcome to you all my dear students. Today we are going to learn sets and it's for class 5, standard 5. So, standard 5, are you ready to get the sets? I hope you all are ready over there. So, student, today in sets we are going to learn so many things. Okay? So, first of all, have a look for your syllabus of your sets lesson. So, first, let's look for the syllabus. The first one, it is sets and members of sets. Okay. Then after, methods of writing members of sets. Then after, diagrammatic method. That is methods of writing. In that number, we are going to learn about diagrammatic method, listing, that means descriptive method and listing method, set builder or rule method. Okay, these are 4 different methods which come under the writing member, methods of writing members of sets, or we can say it writing members of a sets. So student, first of all, we will learn on it and then types of sets at last. Okay, so student, that means what do you mean by sets? Before starting a sets, I will give some facts for you. Have you ever visited your fruit shop? If you visit to your fruit shop, then you will get vegetable in the fruit shop? Obviously not. Only we will get fruits in the fruit shop and vegetables in a vegetable shops or a vegetable market. They are the different things and we will get in the different place, right? That means for buying a clothes, if you visit to a clothes shop, then you will get only your clothes, right student? So that means we are going to learn these things, the identical objects from where we are getting that identical goods, items or things, a collection of that things, it's known as a set or a group. Okay. So, simply we can define a set as a collection of a number or members of a sets. Okay, it is the set of collection of items or the things, well-defined things. If it is come, well-defined means what you are going to get it from that particular place, then it's known as a well-defined things or well-defined objects. Okay. So, simply we again say that a set is a well-defined collection of objects. Okay. So, if you are talking about the members of a set, then let's have a look for it. Okay, I'm going to visit fruit shop. I need some fruits. Okay. So, if I buy the fruits, mango, apple, grapes, oranges. Okay. 4 items I have collected from the market. That means 4 members. There are the 4 members. 4 items which I have bought from the market. That 4 items are known as the members of that fruits. Okay. They are the member of the fruit. And like this way, we are going to learn so many things over here. According to that, you have to say me that I have got 4 things from the market. That is mango, apple, grapes and oranges. Right? Among them, if somebody says that if I have got the pineapple, then does it belong to my 4 fruits? Obviously not. So, it doesn't belong to my group. And if my best friend said me that Do you have some mangoes? If she asked, have you brought the mangoes? Then if I say yes, I have, then I belong to that fruits. I have got that fruits mean mango is, I have that mango, so mango belongs to my food item. So you must know about the belong to and doesn't belong to also in the members of the states. Now for belong to and doesn't belong to, there is a symbol. So have a look for this symbol. This is the symbol for belong to, symbol for belong to, and this is the symbol for doesn't belong to. Do you understand? That is the symbol for belongs to and this is the symbol for doesn't belong to. So, like this way, we are going to learn about methods of writing members of states. Okay, for this, simply there are 4 methods which we are going to learn in the sets for writing. Writing means we need to write something in our notebook, right students? So, writing method, how to write the sets in our notebook? Let's have a look for first one. There is the diagrammatic method. Diagrammatic method means to show, to focus you from the picture. Okay, you have to see the picture and answers it out. That means looking out through the pictures is known as the diagrammatic method. For example, if any sets come in the form of diagram, so this is the diagram. Okay, here I have got mango, grapes, apple, orange. Okay students, see, I have shown you from the picture. That means you can draw over here. You can draw the picture of a mango also, grapes also, apple also and oranges also, right? So, but here I have shown you the picture in form of a circle or oval and inside that circle, I have written the members. They are known as the members of a states, okay? If I have written inside the circle the members of that fruit, then we call it as a diagrammatic method. We call it as a diagrammatic method. So, by showing you the diagram. I have next picture for you for your diagram picture. Let's have a look for this one. These all are the pictures of the diagrammatic method. You can see over here and you can give the answer by yourself. Which group they belongs to. Done, students? Okay, now after this diagrammatic method, we have a descriptive method. Descriptive method means the sets which we need to describe in our words. To write the sets in our words. How to write that sets in our words? Let's have a look. This is the set. It's a group, right? To write this group in form of words. Let's have a write. The set of fruits. This is known as the descriptive method. This is known as the descriptive method. The set of fruits. This is the fruit, so it's a set of fruits. Done? Okay, my dear student. Then after listing method, let's list it out. It's a listing method. So here, let's have a look for it. Listing method means the method which follow with the rule of curly bracket and middle there must be the separation of two items with a comma, then we call it as a listing method. Okay, so let's have a write for the listing method. How to write? This is the set of group A. Okay, let's suppose this is the set A. Set A is belong to mango, comma, grapes, comma, apple, comma, oranges. So this belong to the curly bracket. Inside the curly bracket, I have used a comma also. Have you noticed? Okay, that curly bracket, using of curly bracket and comma is compulsory for the common properties, as a common properties of the listing method. It's a common property of a listing method. It's compulsorily you have to use in listing method. Done? So I hope you understand it very well, because you have already learned in grade 4 up to here. Okay. So student, the most important thing for grade 5 is set builder or rule method. This is much more important topic for grade 5. Set builder or rule method. Now let's have a look for set builder or a rule method. What do we mean by set builder and rule method? So listen me very carefully, okay? In this method, the members of the set are represented by a variable, like it's represented by our variables letters, okay, like X, Y, Z, etc. So the common properties of the members are described by the variables inside the curly bracket. They have a common properties which are described by the variables. Okay, they have to be described with the help of the variables. Either you can use X, Y, Z or A, B, C. It doesn't matter, but you have to use the variable later. Okay, it's a common property. So inside the curly bracket also, you should not miss the curly bracket. Let's have a look. In the same topic, I'm going to write the answers over here. So A is the set where X such as X is the set of fruits. Yes, such as X is the set of fruits. Done? So A, it's the name of a set. Curly bracket, I inform you, right? This is the variable which you need to use over here. X such as X is the set of fruits, just like a descriptive method over here. That means variable is compulsorily must be used over here. Okay, students. That means I hope up to here, is there any confusion for you, students? Let's revise you. Sets, collections are a group of members which have a well-defined objects or things. Members of a set, including inside a circle, identical names of the group. Then after, we have learned about methods of writing members of sets. Right? Okay, that is diagrammatic method, showing through a pictures, showing through a diagram, or you have to show in circular form, writing the member's name inside that circle or a oval shape. Done? Then after, descriptive method, to describe the set, to describe the group of the name. Okay, then after, listing method, list out the name. Just like your friend, if you want to list out the name of your friends starting with letter A, then what you used to do? A. What the name will come from the A? Arushi, Avas, Aisha, Aditi, Aditya, whatever you know, you just list out with the name A, right? That means it's a listing out the name. Then after, much more important topic is set builder or rule method. It's a rule itself, right? So rule is that you have to use a variable x, y or z to describe the well-defined object, to describe the object. So that is x such as this dot is for such as. X such as x is the set of the fruits, curly bracket closed. That means where we have to use a curly bracket, where we have to use a comma, you must know about it. After this, we are going to learn about types of sets. So students, are you ready for your types of sets? Let's start it. Types of sets. In types of sets, we are going to learn a empty or a null set. First one is empty or a null set. And empty or a null set means it's the symbol of empty. The symbol of empty is this one, or null set. Nothing. Empty or null set. A set having no elements inside it. A set having no elements, it is known as a empty set or null set. Okay. So it is denoted by these two symbols. Empty set and a null set. Do you understand? So student, in what type of question it will come, empty or null set? Let's have a look for this one. The number comes between 2 and 3. Can you say me? What is the number come between 2 and 3? Is there any number which come between 2 and 3? There isn't. So student, it's a null set or a empty set. There is no any numbers, that means it's a null set or a empty set. Again, okay, can you say me the letter which come in between C and D? Is there any letter which come in between C and D? Yes. Okay, what is that? Is there? No. That means there isn't any letters. So you have to say it's a null set. Then student, then after you are going to learn about unit or a singleton. Okay, before starting unit or a singleton, I want to give you one question. Okay. What is the first whole number? What is the first digit of whole number? Can you tell me? What is the first digit of whole number? It's 0. How many digit is there? It's just a 1 digit, right? Only 1. What is that? It's 0. That means it's come 0. Single digit, that is 0. We call it as a unit or a singleton. Okay. unit or a single tone. Sitting, single. That means 0. Always the whole number is first digit of whole number is 0. So, you have to write here 0 at first. That's why it's a unit. And another question also is there. Which is the highest mountain of the world? Which one is the highest mountain of the world? How many highest mountains are there of the world? It's a single, right? So, can you give the name? If it is coming single, then mean it's a unit or a single tone. Done, students? I hope you understand it very well. So, now next, but not the least, it's finite or infinite sets. It's finite or infinite sets. See here, finite or infinite. Finite or infinite sets, that means the set whose members or elements can be counted. The sets are members whose elements can be counted, then we call it a finite sets. For example, can you give the first 5 whole number? Okay. First 5 whole number, what are they? 2. The first 5 even number, what are they? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, can we count it? Yes. If we count it, then it's called a finite set. Okay, can you write the numbers more than 10? Can you count the numbers more than 10? Count it. 10, 11, 12, dot. There are so many numbers which come after the 10. So, we call it as a infinite sets. What we call for it? Infinite sets. The sets whose members can be counted, then they are called as a finite set. The set whose members are uncountable, then we call it as a infinite sets. Do you have any confusion on it? So, student, I hope you can solve this type of problems from your exercise book, right? So, students, I have one question for you, just one question for you, okay? What is that? So, tell me, student, 7 belongs to or doesn't belongs to A? 7 doesn't belongs to A. Or 6 belongs to or doesn't belongs to A? It belongs to A, which we have already learned, but you should not miss this point also. For this, let's have a short review. We have learned so many things in sets. Sets and member of a set, methods of writing sets, right? 4 methods we have learned, and then types of sets we have learned over here. 3 different types we have learned. So, please review these all things from your exercise book and keep on practicing on your exercise. Stay safe at your home. Have a good day ahead.